In this video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Higgsfield AI. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your browser and then search for higgsfield.ai/contact. From in there, you should be able to see and hear this. So you can get fast help from their support on Discord. They have a community good for quick answers, product support, and help from their core support team. If you want to ask questions about billing related, you can reach them by going over to support at higgsfield.ai. Once you send them an email through this particular address, they will be able to reply within 24 hours up to 1 week depending on the load of them. Now from in there, you can head over and then reach out for them, wait for their response, and once you're done, you should be able to get a response from them about your query that you want to reach out to them for. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need.